Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shahzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover with the ballet dance lady. As you can see, for that we need some tight rolls, 20 mm round dia of the glue cap, cooling tool, glue and some multicolor strips. So first of all friends, we will start from the bottom for the feet. For that we need 75 mm strip of brown color. We have to take it with the tight roll, lose it, extend it little bit, put the glue in the corner and press from the one side of the petal to make the feet shape. So I will make one by one everything. You can see the shape of feet. Now the next step is the leg shape. For that we need 297 mm brown strip, again tight roll, and using the 25 mm round dia. And also we need, I forgot to come also for the arms. We press from the one side and make the shape of a leg. We have to press both sides, but the center we have to, the start of the roll in the middle, it makes show the leg stuff. We did it. So now friends, we have to make the ballet dress. For that we need one strip of 150 mm. We have to put the glue and use the round dia of a glue cap I am using here. It's 20 mm round. We have to make the tight roll shape. Actually it's not a tight roll shape, but the shape of round. We did this one. And remove it. From both two sides we got the middle, two sides, and leave it the make a shape of the petal. So for that we need 7 150 mm strips for making the dress of the ballet lady. In the blue and yellow, for that we need 75 yellow and 75 blue 75 mm strips. Have to make that one as much as we can. Then we have to put the glue and press from the one side. It makes the frog stuff. Now times to make the body part of the ballet lady. For that we need 297 mm strip of purple. We need 3 strips. So I have to make the tight roll. For that put in the 25 mm round dia. As you can see, put the glue at the end and press from the all of the round. That we have to make the 3 part of that to join and make the dress of the upper body. We can make it a joint to show the ballet body, lady's body dress. The shape we done it, the body part. Now time to make the neck. For neck we need 150 mm strip of the brown. We have to make the tight roll again and put in the 12 mm round dia. Put the glue and press in a triangle shape to make the shape of neck. We got it. Also the neck shape. Now time to make the arms. For that we need one strip of dark brown color, 150 mm, and we use the comb. For that first we have to start from the two teeth of the comb, then we have to do two, and the last one we have to do the three teeth of the comb we have to use. This one. We remove and press one corner to make the shape of inner arm. Now the shape of the next joint near to the hand. For that we need also a strip. Now we have to start from the three teeth of the comb. First across the three, then across the three more, 6. The next step 2 more, 8. And the last step 3 more, mean 11 teeth we have to cross. Same 150 mm strip we are using the brown color here also, and remove and make the shape. The upper shape we will make for this one like this. Let me show you the this shape, and the other shape I already made before because I just show the samples to you. This one. Now time to make the face. For that we need 2 strips of brown color, 297 mm each. Make the tight roll. The glue. And do the face shape. Now we have to use the black for the hair. Just put the glue. Make the hair of the ballet dance lady. Then again put the glue. We have to make the 2 steps of hairs here. It's up to you how many steps you want, or even you want to be a long hair. But here we are doing only 2 steps, no more than 2. Put the glue at the end. This is the face. Now we did the face. Now time to make the hair top. We will use the 150 mm black strip. Make the tight roll also. Extend it little bit. Put the glue in the corner and make the hairstyle on the top that make the pretty of the ballet lady. We have to put the glue on there. to show the stuff like this. Now one, oh my god, sorry. And put the pink ribbon for the style of the hair. So friends, I think you got it. So finally friends, we got our stuff. So let's get started to put the stuff on the greeting card cover. We make the joint of the frock of the ballet lady, the dress. We have to put here 2 legs to make the joint. Also here feet are down. And the body part, and the neck one, face on the top, and the arms. Also here. So friends, we complete our multicolor ballet lady greeting card cover, and I hope you learn many things from our video and you can make it very easy at home. So if you like our video friends, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon that can give you the notification whenever we upload a new video. So keep watching and keep supporting our channel friends. We will meet in the next video, next tutorial. Until next video, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.